How to sign in WhatsApp web step by step. So hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to sign in WhatsApp web step by step. So for that, what you have to do is go to one of your web browser, for example, Google Chrome or Safari. Then go to web.whatsapp.com. Now the page might try to redirect you to download the app. So to fix this, tap the browser's menu, the three dots at the bottom right corner of your screen, and then tap Request Desktop Site. Now grab the phone with your active WhatsApp account and then open your WhatsApp and tap on your profile tab at the bottom right corner, and then open WhatsApp and then tap link a device. Position your primary phone's camera over the QR code on the browser screen, and then if you can't scan, tap login with your phone number on the web page, then type in your number to get an 8-character code, then open WhatsApp on your phone and then tap link with your phone number, then enter the code. So that's it for this video guys. I hope this video is helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in my next video.